Saints. Luna. For 3. No good.
Ay! Daga na wakagani!
2 points. Luna. Walay ko ano gamit na. Okay. 15 seconds shot clock. 3 points. Revilla. 42-63. Okay, Gorit. Gorit. Pass to Kaingin. Back to Gorit. 12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Nothing na. 14 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Travel!
That's the trap. Traveling violation, Kaingin. Bola sa NHA. Okay, Revilla to Maynard, 15 seconds shot clock. No good, ang ball ni Gwen. Kaingin, 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Hindi, mababag. Mr. Luna.
Taboy na lang mag-1 dira. Napay rebound, napay steal.
Okay, Patrick. Patrick ang binigay kang Hariol Ne. 15 seconds shot clock. Hariol Ne. Aboy ang again. 2 points. Hariol Ne. 5 minutes. 15 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. And 2 points, Mr. Kaingin. 4 minutes 38 seconds. Fifteen-second shot clock. Nada. Decline out. 2 minutes, Mr. Kaingin. Last 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Binigay kang Mr. Luna. 15-second shot clock. Nakuha ni Naga. Binigay kang Patrick. To Maynard. 2 points. Maynard. Last 4 minutes.
Apas ni Junita ba? Kaya naman lang.
Okay, good. Good. Holding the ball and bringing the ball. Binigay kang Mr. Kaingin. 14 seconds shot clock to Dablo. Taking a steal to Wood. 10 seconds shot clock. 3 points. Kaingin. Violation of Poteto. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. 70-46. Maynard. Doon pinasa kang Patrick. 30 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock.
Sabate, kaya na nakakuwang te.
Okay, there's a foul. Foul, jersey number 20, Dablo. Personal foul, first team foul. Remaining time ay last 3 minutes and 24 seconds. No good for the throw.
Pildi, magaling mga kapayason mo.
For the last throw. 1 point.
Pildi, mga kapayason day.
Gurit to Kaingin.
Happy year na dayon.
Kaingin doon pinasa ng Gurit. Gurit back to Kaingin. 14 seconds shot clock. Kaingin may tatapasan.
Uy! Uy!
Doon binigay ka. There's a foul.
Give chance to others ba yan?
For them, Hariol Ne. Personal foul, first team foul. Substitution na Substitution, double substitution. Last 3 minutes and 4 seconds. No good for the thrill. Three minutes.
Ay, lalo.
12 seconds shot clock. Kahingin, Jubulit. Buwan binigay ka Dubon. 2 points, Dubon. Last 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Buwan binigay ka Naga. Naga, tumira. 2 points, Naga. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Jubulit galing kang Kahingin. Buwan, kang Luna. Luna, ginugol dribble ang bola. Giatag kang Nablo. 14 second shot clock. Luna. Nablo. 10 second shot clock. For 2. 2 points. Nablo. Last 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 2 points. Mr. Warning, Mr. Patrick for delaying the game. 2 minutes, 1 seconds. Next game prepared, JMI versus LFG Knight. 15 seconds shot clock. 1 minute, 50 seconds. Hawa lagi mo diha. Sus. That's 1 minute, 40 seconds. Okay.
Hoy! Kita ko, kita kayo.
Same ball position, 11 second shot clock. Ay, 14 second shot clock. Ito dito sa ring. Okay, foul. Luna. 3-1, Luna. First team foul, second team foul. Last 1 minute, 32 seconds. Okay. Substitution. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Okay, Gurit. Galing ka Gurit to Mr. Luna. Luna pinasa kang Tablo. 15 second shot clock. Doon binigay kang Luna. 10 second shot clock. Attempt for 3. Agoy. Naluwa pa doon ang ninigas. Bigyan na kang Revilla. Pinasa kang Agoy. Save ball position. Last touch by Kaingin. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Two points, Patrick. Last 1 minute. Seconds to play, 55 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 50 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. No good. 40 seconds. Decline ang pa ni Revilla. 2 points by Revilla. 33.5 seconds na lang po. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds.
Magikan, nakuha lang rin. Kami tayo.
Game 13.